Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2019 Toyota Hilux dual cab, and I'm going to show you where each of the ISOFIX mounts are for child seats. So obviously I've got the rear door open for this, so just having a look, you'll see that I've got both the headrests off. Now this is just for video purposes and I'll get to that in a second. But your ISOFIX mounts, the bottom ones, are actually between the two seats just there. You can see one of the bars there. There's also another one just there. You can just about see the shiny bar. So they're your bottom mounting points. Now for your top mount, it's actually not behind the seat, it's in the middle. So it's right here, and this is why I've got the headrests off. If you don't know how to remove the headrests, you just push in that button on the side there and pull the headrest out. So that is actually where the mount is. But what we do is we're just behind the seat, you lift up this piece of material here, and there's actually a diagram on it. So you pass the top mount through like that. It goes through the hoop and over to this point, and then you tighten it back. So that's your three mounts. So ISOFIX 1 and 2 down the bottom, and then your third one goes through here into the middle there. Now this is actually replicated on the left and right hand side of the car, and this loop is also found behind that headrest. So there we go, that's where the ISOFIX mounts are on a 2019 Toyota Hilux. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.